I got so many silent watchers. Why y'all so silent though? Y'all realize that I put myself out here on camera talking to you guys. I ask you guys questions. I expect you guys to answer. Don't just like the video alone, you know, you guys need to actually engage with me in the comments. Yeah. Who this? Hello my beautiful people. Why my baby crying? An official welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am SK. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I press record, and as soon as I press record, now Rain is crying. Take two. This is take two. Welcome to another vlog. You hear the silence? My kiddos are in the back, but nobody's saying anything because the two of them like the road. When they're here, we're going on the road. We're going on the road. Everyone is excited. They're always excited to go and get ShéKayla from school. I know, excited. Excited. Yeah, but guys, did I introduce myself? If you're new here, I'm SK. Hope you guys stick around for the rest of the vlog. Yeah, so right now I'm going to get my teenage daughter from school. Ooh, look how the filter hit me. The sun is the most perfect filter. Yeah, so I put on Fenty makeup. So you guys remember months and months ago when I went makeup shopping and I did buy, what did I get? I didn't get my usual MAC. I got oh my gosh, see, I hardly wear it. Even though in makeup shopping I hardly wear makeup nowadays. I'm gonna pop it on the screen because I think I've only worn it like twice since I've bought it, so I can't remember now. Oh my goodness. But I did get like a small pot of Fenty to try. I think I absolutely love the way it went on. The finish of it all is flawless. I love it. I absolutely love it. You guys can comment and let me know what you think, but yeah, I'm gonna go and order a full bottle of it now because I really do like it. And like how we have Black Friday sale, so this is Black Friday week that I'm filming this video because you guys normally get the video sometimes like a week behind. It's like a week behind. I always explain this, so I'm gonna see if I can get the whole bottle of the makeup. And I don't know, I hope they have sales. Everyone's got sales going on, right? So hopefully we can get some. And I have the color, the foundation, it matched so perfect. It was very perfect. But just a tip for you guys, if you don't know, the girl that gave me the pot to try, she said she always advised people to take it home, put it on in our natural light, go out in the sunshine and everything, and see how it looks, because you know the lighting in the store is always so bright. It's meant to make you look glowy, right? So it might look perfect in there, but then when you hit the sun, you go outside, you realize like, oh my gosh, this is not my shade. She says she's had that so many times, as if they didn't match them properly. So I'm not saying that you can get your right shade from in store, but she's saying that the best results are usually done when you get the sample and you do it at home and in your natural lighting. You'll see the sunshine and stuff, because there's no sunshine in the store, is it? It's like perfect lighting everywhere, so you look bright, you look bright in there. So yeah, just a little tip that she gave me. Headed for ShéKayla now. She left just a teeny bit late just because we're getting the windows replaced, so the guy came around for some measurements and stuff like that to replace all the windows in the flat. So I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, let me know how you guys are doing. I feel like I haven't asked you guys that in a minute, and I always used to ask that in my vlogs, even though I do tell you I hope everyone is doing fantastic, because you know I wouldn't be on YouTube if it wasn't for you guys. You know, your support and everything means so much to me that, you know, I care about how you guys are doing. Anybody that supports me and take time out of their day just to watch and hear me blab while I drive, I appreciate y'all so much, and I appreciate all the support, even though I wish I could get way more support. Guys, I was thinking, right, I was like, you know what, I absolutely love what I do here on YouTube. You guys know I say that so many times. And the other day, I sort of, my TikTok is really based on me being a mother, so juggling motherhood and just my everyday life, trying new things, or you know, I try to make little short videos and I post them on TikTok and stuff like that. And I was just thinking like I would love to just do that full time, never having to go back to work, because having a year off work, because you know I had rain, and here in England we could get up to 1 year off work, and I decided to take that full year maternity leave, you know. And I don't know, I just enjoy being with my babies so much. Like being a mother is just so important to me. It can be very overwhelming at times, and even getting content out at times and filming the videos and stuff could be so difficult, but I wouldn't change a thing, y'all. I love all 3 of my babies so much, and I wish I could get the opportunity to just be a content creator full time, because it's what I love. This is the one job, because it is a job, you know what I mean? This is like my second job. It's not just a hobby for me, it's like something I want to make a career out of, just being a full-time content creator, because I love filming, I love editing. Like right now I have a 2-hour vlog to edit. Yeah, you guys would have already seen that video on Sunday. That video was 2 hours long, y'all, and it's me trying to cut down 2 hours into 20-30 minute vlogs and stuff, which is a lot of work, but I enjoy the process, you know. I enjoy it so much. I enjoy the filming and I enjoy the editing when I have peace and quiet to edit, not when River and Rain nagging like, and River's like, come here, I want this, I want that. And so yeah, but I enjoy it. I'm here cooking, I'm here frying some wings. So I got my wings in there and I'm about to go and stew them down now, but I just was frying them down a little bit. But guys, this blender here came today. This is from AliExpress. Y'all remember that I did a couple things from AliExpress, the vacuum and the toaster over there from AliExpress. So I do need to open this blender, so I'm going to show you guys. Hold on. You know what? Let me start with my chicken first because it might be burning. What do you want, Rivi? You want a cookie? This is what it looks like, y'all. So I'm just gonna let that simmer down for a little bit. And we got Mr. River here crying, says he wants a cookie. Let's see. I'm just using my knife. Let's see. Let's open this. Rivi, why are you screaming? Oh, you know I need to set y'all up on the tripod. You know I'm even able to do all of that. Can I just cut you guys up on the? Can I cut you guys up right here on the air fryer? Am I onto something? Stop it. So I did buy this at the same time that I got the toaster, but for some reason the blender took its time to get to me, you know. But I guess that's my fault because it's a specific blender that I chose, and I guess who I bought it from on AliExpress, because remember I told you guys that they have like a bunch of different sellers on there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna unbox it now. This is just the manual for the blender. Look at me getting all my gadgets from my stuff from AliExpress. Big up to AliExpress. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see this. I'm trying to like very important piece. How big is it? Don't drop it, don't drop it. Oh my gosh, why does this look so big? I getting all these things right. I run out of counter space. I am running out of counter space. I'm not gonna lie, the base of this look big. Oh gosh, it does say professional blender. Professional. It looks big. Look, I'm just being lazy. You know, my tripod is right there, but it looks, y'all, this looks big. Oh my gosh. Okay, see my hand? It looks proper heavy duty. Oh my gosh. And then the other piece came in this protective thing, which is good. Let me just inspect, make sure that this is plastic, this is not glass, and I chose plastic. You know, some of them have glass, but I prefer that at the time, because it could be heavy, like, you know, and it's filled up plus the glass, it's just a bit much. So we've got this. There's 8 cups. Okay, 2 liters. It's 2 liters, 8 cups. And it also has this other little piece, y'all, which is cool, right? So it comes with a small bit, which is so nice. I actually like this. Is 600 ml. I love this. A tiny piece, big one, and then you have this little mini one, which is super cool. Love that. So if I just need to do something on a smaller scale, I can. It came with this piece as well. You know, you take this top off, and if you need to, you know, Dusa. So I can put it on. Oh, just like that. It is super easy. Is it locked in though? Let me see. Like I'm expecting to hear like a clip. It feels weird that it could just slide off. I guess this is it. It just feels like it would easily fall off, but maybe not. Let me try the smaller one. Let's put the smaller one on. Okay, all right. It's as easy as that. Where am I gonna put this now, y'all? Oh my gosh, I don't have the counter space. Look at me run out of counter space, and I'll just rush this right next to it just for now. I'll show Sean when he gets home, but I'm gonna have to probably store this underneath. I've got my camera here, y'all. I was charging it earlier. My countertop just look extremely crowded. Forgive me. I like the blender though, and obviously you got on, off. What's this? Bone what? Juice. Uh-oh. I don't really care about all that as long as it just does its thing. We're gonna test it out. We will. Is this stove up too high? I'm like so busy chatting and not paying attention to my pot. Why did that just burn me? What the heck is going on? Like seriously. You know what though? I have the stove up way too high. Look at this. It looks nice though. But look at, I make all the gravy like suck out. Lord. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Sick of me busy unboxing this blender. Y'all know what the side dish be already. Plantain! Actually need to go grocery shopping. I say go, but I'm actually gonna order them online tonight from Tesco. I don't know if I'm gonna do a haul. I can do a haul. Y'all want me to do a haul? Yeah, I must be wondering why I'm getting all this stuff from AliExpress, right? But it's not that bad to try new things. I know sometimes we're accustomed to like bigger brands and stuff like that, and people frown upon a lot of Chinese products, you know, even like stuff like from Shein, like clothes and stuff like that. Some people frown upon getting clothes from there. I don't know where you guys shop, but y'all know me, like I'm a very simple girl. Like I like what I like. If I see something, if I go into an expensive store and I happen to see a particular piece in there that I like, you know, I would get it if I really like it, you know, and if I think that it's worth the price. But a lot of the time, some of these big brands, I don't know, y'all, sometimes it's just not worth it. And I've had some really great clothing and stuff like that, you know, from these Chinese brands that I am never left completely, like I'm never left really disappointed, you know. And as you see, I got the vacuum from AliExpress, and it's been several weeks, and this is what I use every single day to vacuum the entire house and stuff, and it's going great. Yeah, the toaster's all right, and I can't wait to test out the blender though. It's so big, y'all. Why didn't I know that it was gonna be? I've never had the blender that I had before. It was more, I don't want to say compact because it was like a heavy duty one. It was glass, but the base itself, like right here, it was not this big. So it does, not that it's taking up like a ton load of space, but it's just that my countertop is really small. So here is my countertop. Ignore the camera because I had it charged and it does not build. Let me take it off. Yeah, I've got some breadcrumbs on my toaster. Just don't mind that. On this side of my kitchen, this is a countertop here, and I know maybe it looks, to me it looks bigger on camera, I don't know. But so y'all know, I have, before I had my just a rice cooker, and my toaster has always been in this area on this corner. But now I have this big old air fryer, and then that, and now I've just put the blender here. I don't really like my kitchen counter looking too crowded, right? And then I have my kettle here. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. I need to clean the kettle. It's the hot water, so I need to throw, every week I have to put something in it because it builds up, even though I think I haven't done it for the week, so that's why it looks like that. So I need to put a tablet of vinegar sachet in there to make it clean again. So excuse the kettle. I've got my candle here. Sometimes I like lighting the candle while I cook. It smells really nice. This one is cashmere, and see, I'm cooking here. I'm going to do some plantains, and then we have this side. So my microwave is on this side, and this is a new addition because I didn't always have this on the countertop. My napkin is finished. Y'all, I have to go grocery shopping. I told y'all, like, I'm running low. And then I have this over here with these utensils because they kept jamming in the drawer, and I had they kept jamming in the drawer, so that's why I had to get this because it's so much better. And then I have the eggs. I'm running low on eggs too. And yeah, my microwave is here, so this is what this is. And then we got the fridge right here, so come in the kitchen with mama. Come help me, come on. Yeah, so yeah, then we have yeah. Anyways, you get this. I'm not giving you like a kitchen tour, but yeah, that's it for my kitchen. So I don't have, and that's it for the counter space. I don't have a lot of, where did I turn it off? I need to fry the pan. Yes, I don't have a lot of counter space.
I take it.
What do you want to take, baby?
Take it.
Take what, baby?
Take it.
Take what?
Take it.
Let me go see what River wants, because when he gets like this, he's not gonna leave me alone.
Take it.
What do you want me to take? What?
Take
Where's the balls?
No, the ball.
You lost them? Gonna fry my plantain. These plantains full of all different colors, shapes and sizes, but don't mind that. I share out. This is River gets his food in this pink bowl. That's his, and this is Rain's. And I'm gonna give them potato, like a little bit of potato and carrots and chicken. Rain gets chicken as well. Yeah, I'm probably gonna say all this kid does is do plantain on the side, but you know what though, because I was even speaking to a friend of mine the other day, and we were talking about side dishes. So she was like, you know, like in Anguilla, a typical side dish, especially like on a Sunday, you know, you cook your rice and peas and whatever meat you decide to cook, and then you can do plantain, you can do coleslaw, some do macaroni pie, some do scallop potato, maybe lasagna, I don't know. In Jamaica, it's a completely different type of thing. Like in Jamaica, I'm accustomed of getting like rice and peas with whatever meat that's cooked on the day, and the side dish could be plantain or coleslaw, and not even coleslaw, is like vegetable. So I don't know if things have changed, but as far as I know, or maybe it's just a household that I've been in throughout the years in Jamaica, but the vegetable, like we do cabbage and carrot with a little bit of vinegar, a bit of sugar and stuff like that, and basically that's how they would kind of make it, and that's how I love it, and not with mayo. So sometimes I switch it up, sometimes I do it with mayo, and sometimes I do it that way, and my kids love it either way, because yeah, I never used to really practice doing it with mayo, but I like it both ways, you know. So I wouldn't even call it coleslaw, you call it coleslaw when you add mayo. Without mayo, it's like it's vegetable. And then we do cucumber. Yeah, we do cucumber and tomato and maybe lettuce, and that's a side dish on the side. Am I wrong? Like that is a side dish that I'm accustomed to in Jamaica. Like I don't know of anybody down there cooking additional stuff on top of the rice and peas, like additional carbs, like potatoes, scallop potatoes on macaroni pie, and you know. But in Anguilla, they decide to do it big all the time. Like they need all those things on the side, and for me it's nice, but for like I don't know, I can't do that every Sunday. Like for me, cooking, that it's just too much of an effort to go through all of that. I'd rather just be simple. What do you guys put when you cook? And I need you to comment this down below, please. Okay, what side dishes do you put on your plate? When you prepare your dish, what your side dish looking like? What kind of side dish? What do you do for a side dish? Like let me know, because if I'm being too boring, like I don't know, but it's just what I'm used to, and Sean is happy with that too. Like we're all happy with that. But I feel like I come on here and I vlog, and it's like, are you guys thinking that I cook the same thing? I don't know, but we kind of just used to this type of thing and kind of just stick with it. I don't know. Anyways, let me go and place up this food. Might share out. Should I share out Sean's? Yeah, I'm gonna share out Sean's. As soon as he comes, he can have his food. ShéKayla, you ready for your food as well? Yes. So you guys sit like that, like you've been starving. You ain't starving or not? I'm still quite. Because you done had a little snacks. You done had something since you come home. You had a little something. I'm still quite picky. So can you do it tomorrow? ShéKayla, I don't have to do it tomorrow. You need to tie that down. But I want to. No, don't take out that style. Leave it like that and wear that for a second day. I feel naked. What do you mean you feel naked? I feel round. You feel round? Like what? Nothing is wrong with it. Let me see. Put on your hair. Because you got chubby cheeks, you don't look round. Your face is more like oval with a little bit of chubbiness to it, which is cute. Yeah, ShéKayla gets embarrassed. Let me stop embarrassing my daughter, because she don't like it, and every time I'm like putting the attention on her, she's like I'm gonna catch up with you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go plate up my family food and we're gonna go and chill. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys tomorrow. Look at her with her weird self. Yeah, but every time the camera is on her now, she's like, but she in here doing some kind of weird crap. I see it on TikTok all the time, and these people making thousands of pounds, like so. What is this? What is this? Like, I buck up on a live, right? I buck up on a live on TikTok. I was randomly scrolling, and I saw this girl, and she was just doing this.
Thanks for the heart. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, that too.
Yum,
Thanks
yum.
for the heart.
Yum,
Thanks for the
yum.
heart. Yum, yum.
Yum.
How the heck can somebody be on a live just watching somebody do that? Like, what is that about? What is that?
I would watch it.
Well, what is it? What's it for?
It's just like it's like an anime thing.
It's weird. Anime?
I don't know how to explain it, but they're like,
No, just imagine clicking on a live. Like, imagine me coming live and doing this. Should I go? I feel like going live right now to talk to y'all. I'm such in a talkative mood right now, but I don't have the ring light in here, kind of dark. Yeah, this is, I know I said that I will see you guys tomorrow, so this is actually the same night, but I was just trying this on because I got this from TikTok shop, and I was doing a TikTok video. But do you guys like this store? And I decided to try it on just to film a video on TikTok because I got it from TikTok shop. But I said, let me just show my people on YouTube, and you guys can tell me what you think. It actually comes with pockets, and it's very, very stretchy, but I absolutely love the way this looks on me as well. But yeah, this is the back, and yeah, if you guys like it, I'll probably just leave the link of the TikTok under this video so that you guys can, if you want it, you can purchase it over on TikTok. Yeah, so this is a size medium, and yeah, and I want to go and buy the black one now because they have the blacks. You have black, and the mesh is also like black as well or something. It looks really nice, and it was really cheap as well. So yeah, I'll leave the link down for you guys, but comment down below and tell me if you like it, because I think I'm in love with it. I love it. And this is not usually my style. Like, I don't wear like baggy stuff like this at all. I'm not wearing the right like underwear or anything. Tucking a little bit, but yeah, this is new for me and I love it, so I'm gonna go and get the black. Yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all. So I'm gonna go and take a shower now and get the babies ready for bed. Yeah, Sean is in there with them. I don't know if you guys can hear the TV, but that's that. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, my Tesco delivery just came and I've packed away most of the stuff. I just got a few stuff here for in that I need to pack out, and I decided to buy some lentils. I saw this TikTok. River sounds like he's awake now. I saw this TikTok. The rice and peas look so good, and then I had this from my friend the other day where she uses to make rice and peas, and it's been a while, so I got that. And I got some chickpeas because last night while I was shopping, all of a sudden I was like, I fancy some chickpea curry one of these days in the week, so I might just do that. Got some mixed veg. I got some sliced up mushroom, spinach. This I haven't tried. It's just some mini hash brown bites. I figured this would be kind of nice to get. I've got some sweet corn here. I prefer this nowadays than to get it on the cob. And then I got some mixed veg with broccoli and peas and carrots, cauliflower in there. I don't eat cauliflower, you know, but you know. And I've got some strawberries and blueberries, frozen ones, because I am going to be doing some juicing. And I got this butternut squash. That's already cut up. This is me being lazy because I want to make some soup, and that's what I'm going to use. But I bought a cock soup and I realized that I ain't see the cock soup. Where the cock soup? Oh, it's over here with the eggs. What color are these eggs? Are they brown or what? Okay. Ooh, these are some very large eggs. These eggs are like £3.85, I think, for just 12. They didn't have the 15 eggs that I wanted, so I ended up just getting one pack of 12, and I have like probably like 6 eggs left. And then these are just a few snacks here for River. This, I've never had these before. I usually just buy spaghetti, as you can see here, and spaghetti, or I do like the normal pasta, but I've never had this. How do you pronounce this? I don't know, everything is pasta to me, but I figured maybe River might it's just to encourage River to eat, because he's not a big fan of like the pasta, but maybe if he sees it shaped like this, like the shells, might encourage him to eat it a bit. Come, Rivy. And can you believe I ordered a Cadbury hot chocolate, because remember I told you guys this is a bit rich and I prefer the taste of the Cadbury, but they substituted it and they gave me this instead, and I kept it because we don't have any hot chocolate, so I just kept it. So our Galaxy it is until next time. Yeah, but yeah. Hi, Riv. Hello, Rivy. Why do you have that pacifier? Rivy, go put back that passy and come back. Go put it back. But yeah, the groceries came right on time, and now it's time for me to actually go and get ShéKayla from school. So and Sean came home early today, so yeah, I'm happy about that. So the babies ain't coming with me, so I'll just get Sean to finish unpacking packing these stuff away, and I'm gonna go grab ShéKayla. So that's that. I just unboxed my new toaster. Yes, I got another toaster. I know I just got one the other day from AliExpress, but I'll tell you why. Don't get mad. Tell you why I decided to get another toaster. So obviously this was my first toaster by Murphy Richards, which I absolutely loved. And then this side stopped working, as I explained in the previous vlog, and then this side worked perfectly fine. Love the retro look and everything, and I wanted to get the exact same one like this. I wish I could have, but anyways, this one was on AliExpress. I chose this one because I said, you know what, it's cute, I like it, it's fine, it toasts the bread just fine. It's an alright toaster, but it just, the look of it all was just not what I just couldn't. I don't know, I was really in love with this one, and it just, the overall look, I just wanted something of this sort. And also, as you can see, this one is higher, so if you have like big slices of bread, it goes down all the way, whereas this one, there's like a little piece on top, which is it's fixable if you toast bread sideways, but I don't want to toast my bread sideways, so couldn't help it, and I decided to go and get this toaster, this beautiful toaster. So it's by Murphy Richards. It has one control to control these two, and let me just put it down for you guys to see what it looks like. I'll just do one, and you can do the other one, but it illuminates, yeah, so it's just so nice. So it illuminates, which I love, shows you that the toaster is on. But yeah, I love this purchase. So it came today, and yeah, and it fits the aesthetic, like, come on, you know. I just love it. And one of the reasons as well is because you see this toaster, the top of it, you can see that you can just wipe it off. This one, you can't just wipe it off because you have to get like down in the crease, which is not a huge deal because it is wide enough for you to like get a thing and just wipe it out. But I don't like, I prefer the easy wipe off type of thing, and this one has it. So as opposed to this one where it's like shaped like that, this one is more on the flat side, but it's very nice. So I'm guessing this is the more modernized one, and they discontinued this one because I couldn't find this anywhere. Yeah, but this is it. This is a new toaster. I'm happy. Anyways, enough about bread, enough about toasters. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Anyway, I'm gonna close out the vlog here. Actually, I have to go and unbox my ring light as well. So this is gonna be the last time y'all seen any type of shadows of any sorts behind me, because I'm gonna try and just use my ring light as much as I can. So yeah, I'm gonna go unbox that now, and I'll catch up with you guys in the next vlog. If you made it to the very end, thank you guys as always for supporting the channel on a whole. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, which I love. I mean, I'm almost at 9,000, but I'm pushing it for like 10. I would love to get to 10,000 subscribers by January. That would be so good. But anyways, thanks for rocking with me. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Out with the old and in with the new. Okay, I'm sorry. Bye.